Jason from O.S.B Pump Factory. Today I will introduce our new trademark materials in order to compare between the older version and the new one. We will fix the two trademarks on the same heat pump shell. As you can see, the top one is our old texture and the bottom is the new one. And now let's get a closer look to see what's the difference between the older version and the new one.
Okay, first of all, after careful observation, and you can find that the old trademark cannot be completely stick to the surface of the shell, resulting bubbles, and it is prone to falling off with moisture. And let's look at our newly designed trademark and new materials. The independent design is adopted, and the transparent part in the old trademark is removed to make the bubbles disappear. In addition, the new material enhances the thickness. When the heat pump is placed outdoor, there is no need to worry about the label falling off due to moisture. Even if it is scraped with the tool, it will not be scraped out. And whether it is galvanized steel shell or a plastic shell, and you can see the old one, and there is already a part drop off, and the new one will not.